Thank you for your interest in applying to study with us at Point Blank. The following video is designed to help you apply for one of our degree level courses. To begin your application, please click Apply Now. Next, click Start Your Application. If you haven't set up an account, you can do so now by filling in your details here. If you've already set one up, just click on the Login Here button and your details should be stored. Remember, you don't need to complete the application form in one go. You can save your progress and return to your application at any time. The first part of the application is about you. Please let us know your details, such as your name, date of birth, nationality, address, and contact details. Throughout the application, please ensure you complete all sections marked with the red asterisk. You'll also need to upload a form of ID, such as a passport or driver's license. If you are waiting on a new passport, for example, you can just upload this later. Once you've completed this section, just click on Save and Proceed. When completed, you'll notice the section turns green, letting you know all the information required has been submitted. Here, you'll need to let us know if you'd like to study with us in London or online, when you'd like to start your course, and which course you'd like to apply for. In the funding section, please let us know how you intend to fund your studies. You can select if you'll be applying for a student loan, paying privately, or using another method. If you will be applying for a student loan, watch this video here which explains what you need to do. If you would like to nominate a person, such as a parent, guardian or carer to discuss your application on your behalf, please provide us with their details here. Or, if you're using a recruitment agency to manage your application, please provide their contact details here. You'll need to provide us with evidence of your academic qualifications. For example, if you've studied A-levels or a BTEC qualification, please let us know the name of the institution where you studied, the subjects you took, the grades you achieved, and the date you completed these. Please upload all qualifications here. If you're still studying or have yet to complete your exams, you can still apply with your predicted grades. Again, let us know where you're studying, which subjects you are taking, your predicted grades, and when you'll be taking your exams. You can upload your qualifications here or send them through to our admissions team once you've received your results. If you are applying as an international student, we can accept your qualifications too, like your high school diploma, baccalaureate, matriculation, as well as many others, and we can compare these against our own entry requirements for admission onto the course. If you are applying for a degree, but your qualifications do not meet the standard entry requirements, you might be given an offer to study our foundation year. This foundation year offers level 3 studies, after which you can advance onto the degree program. Certain applicants will need to provide a qualification showing they have achieved a minimum of grade C or 4 in GCSE English Language or equivalent. You can find a list of accepted English language qualifications here. If you do not have an English language qualification or need to take an English equivalency exam, you can still apply and send us your results once you have them. In this instance, please select Test to be taken and provide us with more information. The personal statement is your opportunity to demonstrate your passion for music and why you would like to study with Point Blank. Please tell us about your music experience, what you're hoping to achieve from studying a degree with us, and what career you can see yourself pursuing in the future. Please make sure you write a minimum of 50 words in each section, with a minimum of 300 words overall. We ask applicants to submit a portfolio to help support their application. This should include any tracks you've produced, DJ sets, live performances, songs you've written, maybe if you play an instrument, or anything else music related you believe is relevant and will help strengthen your application. You can use this section to link us to your SoundCloud, Spotify, or social media pages, or you can upload audio files. Make sure you upload the correct file type and that they do not exceed 20 megabytes. Don't worry if you've never studied music formally before. We take into consideration any music-related experience you have acquired. We don't expect anyone to be professional at this stage. We just like to see what you've been working on to help us further assess your application. If you do not have a portfolio, then don't worry. Submit your application without adding to this section. If you would like to declare a disability or require any additional support, please make us aware in this section. A member of our Wellbeing and Disability Support team will be happy to speak with you about any reasonable adjustment we can make to help you get the most out of studying with us. Please be as honest as possible, and don't worry, this will not affect the outcome of your application. We are required to capture the following data on behalf of the Higher Education Statistics Agency. Please complete all the fields below. If there are any fields you are not comfortable responding to, just select Prefer Not to Say. All the information will be dealt with in the strictest of confidence. When your application is ready, you'll notice that all the sections have turned green. To finish, tick all of the boxes and click Submit Application. Now you've submitted your application, it will be sent through to our admissions team to be reviewed. We endeavour to get back to all applicants within 5 working days. A member of our admissions team will contact you directly and guide you through the next stages. We may require you to send through some supporting documents and qualifications, and you may be invited to take part in an interview. If you're applying for our music production and vocal performance degrees, you'll be invited to participate in an audition. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to get in contact with our admissions team by emailing admissions@pointblankmusicschool.com or give us a call on 0044 207 729 4884 and our course advisors and admissions team will be happy to help. Thank you.